How far away is the barricade?
It's all the way back there. Do you see him? I was all the way up there and where that man is standing, and I was showing
Did you video any of it?
with what? My eye? He sings with that girl.
Is that Rihanna?
That's not Rihanna. Rihanna, one of these. Make sure that's out. Standing there. Alright, I know 2 songs.
You probably know this one.
Alright, I know 3 songs.
You know I whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'll show you how to do it and you start real slow. You just
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
together and you come real close.
I'll put this on YouTube.
Whistle, baby,
Hey,
here we go.
I was so left there
I'm betting like people, and I'm betting love
I
people.
walked up I was standing here at first and when they started like coming at the
I'm gonna get to your heart. So we get to my song. What the hell, baby? There's only one person, one life. I'm gonna dance and for the one that's ready for it. Ready to spin back around. Slow it down, take a second, and you know I'm whistle, baby. Let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it. And you start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. You know I'm whistle, baby. There we go.
They roped off that entrance. Now they said, poor man's telling me. So they told us to go around and then the barricades are over there.
a drone. See the drone?
Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. You know how we so bad, we're so bad. Here we go. So bad, so bad. Come on, so bad. We're so bad, so bad. We're so bad, so bad. Girl, you can work it. Let me see you hustle while you're working. All the way back, don't stop it.